The Meat Thermometer Digital is a must-have kitchen tool for anyone who loves cooking, grilling, or candy making. With its fast instant read technology, you get accurate temperature readings within seconds, ensuring your food is cooked to perfection every time. One of the standout features is its waterproof design, making it easy to clean under running water without worry. The bright backlit display allows for clear readings even in low-light conditions, whether you're cooking indoors or grilling outside at night. It's designed to be durable, reliable, and easy to use for both beginners and experienced chefs. This thermometer is perfect for a variety of uses, from checking meat doneness on the grill to making candy or deep frying. With 6 color options, you can choose one that matches your kitchen setup or outdoor grilling gear. The foldable probe ensures easy storage, and the auto shut-off feature helps conserve battery life. For those who love barbecue, this tool is essential for achieving the perfect steak, chicken, or fish without the guesswork. It's also great for holiday cooking and makes a fantastic stocking stuffer for adults who enjoy grilling or cooking. Right now, with the spring deal offering 15% off, it's the perfect time to upgrade your kitchen gadgets. Don't miss this opportunity to get a high-quality, reliable food thermometer at a great price. If you want to grab one for yourself, check out the link in the description below.